Hey guys, how you doing? It's Shelly with the Lemonade Store, and I never know where I'm looking on this camera thing, but I think it's up there. I'm just gonna do some lettering today and a bunch of subscriber shout outs because I want to say thank you guys. We passed 13,000 subscribers on this channel, and that is seriously awesome. So I like to give back, and I've had a lot of requests to do subscriber shout outs, so I'm just gonna go through and pick out some names, do some lettering, and I hope you guys like it. If I do your name, will you comment below? Because I'd like to know if you guys actually saw when I did it, because I usually do a subscriber shout out after every single video, even ones that aren't lettering related. So if you are looking to see if your name was picked, you should scroll towards the end, because you never know, it might be there. Okay, let's get started. And if you would like to get your name entered into my jar, let me show you my jar. Look at our jar. Our jar is getting huge, people. I love it. So leave a comment below if you would like to get entered into the jar. I randomly pick names. There's no rhyme or reason except for these are my scrap pieces of paper. And I don't really know what I'm gonna do while I'm lettering. I'm just gonna pick supplies and start doing it. So hope you like it. Hope I pick your name.